Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have access to the account email or phone tied to privacy protection. This is how the system verifies you. Once done, make sure the device you'll use is updated to the latest OS or app version and connected to a secure network. Then open Settings and navigate directly to Privacy Protection or Security Password Recovery. Don't hesitate. Start the recovery flow now so the next verification steps appear for you to complete. Once you've started the recovery flow, choose the verification method available, email link, SMS code, or Authenticator app, and request the code. When you receive the code, enter it immediately because many systems use a short time window for security. After verification, you'll be prompted to set a new privacy protection password. Create a strong, unique password and confirm it. Make sure to update any stored credentials or password managers so future access. Finish by confirming the password change and immediately test access to the privacy-protected features so you know it worked. Once confirmed, update linked devices, refresh backup codes, and store the new password in your password manager. If something goes wrong, check common issues. Spam folders for emails, correct time and time zone on your device for codes, and that SMS is reaching your phone. If those fail, use an alternate recovery method or contact support with your account details ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.